Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2725th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you. Welcome for joining in. It's Sunday afternoon. I want to give you a video. I want to show you something quickly, what's going on in the markets. Remember this word before you ever do anything in trading. Trading is risky. Never ever trade without putting your stops in first, okay? Very risky game. Put your protective stop in first before you get started. What's going on out there? I've got a red OMNI for trading U.S. indices. This is the Dow Jones daily bar chart. And let me show you what's going on. It's interesting how in this blue channel right here, we have gone from bottom to top. Then it goes to the bottom, and then it goes to the top, and down at the bottom, and it jigger-jags around a little bit, and poof, off to the top. And what should happen now? Kind of looks like it should head towards the bottom a little bit, right? Maybe not all the way, but it should do something, because that's what happens up here. Then we've got this. There's an Oscarism out there known, if you guys know me, you've seen this for years, as the holiday reversal. Well, what is that? Well, it usually means that a week leading into a 3-day weekend, meaning we're going to be closed Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or Saturday, Sunday, Monday. The week leading into that, usually if you were moving up during the week before, for some reason, a reversal takes place and you move down for a few days leading into that holiday. That makes perfect sense with hitting the bottom down here, right? So we've got a red OMNI, we've got the Oscarism known as the holiday reversal. So you've got a lot of that going on. We expect a slight pullback because of the red OMNI, the possible holiday reversal, and the setup right here. Maybe it hits bottom. We expect a slight pullback. I wanted to show that to you. But bigger than that is this. Tomorrow, it's Sunday right now while I'm filming. Tomorrow is Monday, the 25th of March. If you are watching this video, then you need to do this. Click the link below and join me. I'm doing a live webinar. My portion of it will start at 3 p.m. There are others before me and after me. I'll be on at 3 p.m. It is absolutely free to you. The Metastock Traders Summit. Here's what's going to happen. I will have something. If you are into cryptocurrency, stock indices like E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell, metals like gold, silver, you name it, grains, foreign currencies like Euro, British Pound, etc., anything, there'll be something in it for everybody. And I'm going to show you some really cool charts, and we're going to go over some good AI stuff. So make sure you join the summit. It's absolutely free. Below this video, I will leave the link. It's free to you, but you got to be there tomorrow or today if you're watching it Monday, but you got to be there on Monday, the 25th of March at 3 p.m. Eastern, and I will present live. Make sure you do that, and then make sure you do this. If you end up short tomorrow, which we may be doing that in our live trading room, make sure you join us at livewithoscar.com. It's absolutely free, not even a credit card's required. You can hang out with me in my live trading room. And if you're going to trade, keep your emotions out of trading. I'd like for you to also share and like these videos. That would really help us with the algorithms. And if you're going to trade and put your stop in first, that's a great thing to do. The rest of keeping your emotions out of trading is not touching that stop once it's in, and then saying this to yourselves over and over again. Say it with me, and then I'll see you cats tomorrow at the webinar at 3 p.m. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com in my trading room. And then, of course, at 3 p.m. Eastern to see the live webinar. I hope to see all of you there. Thanks for tuning in.